How to fix your Verizon internet connection. So the first way is to check for service outages. So check on Verizon's website or app for service outages in your area. If there's a known issue, you'll likely need to wait for them to fix it. If you want to search for their website, just simply search Verizon and you should be able to find their website. If you want the app, then you can go ahead and search it in your Play Store or Google Play and you'll be able to find the Verizon app. Next is to restart your router. So unplug your Verizon router from the power outlet. So if you have a little guy like this, it should definitely have like a plug for an outlet. Let's try to draw something similar to one. So all you have to do is plug that out, wait for 30 seconds, and plug it back in. So this can resolve temporary connection issues by refreshing your connection. Next is to verify physical connections. Ensure that all cables, Ethernet, power, coaxial fiber are securely connected to router and any other devices. So basically stuff like these are called coaxial wires, or any wires that are technically connected to the router. The next is to check your Wi-Fi. If the connection is only dropping on Wi-Fi, check that your router's wireless signal is on and functioning. And finally is to contact Verizon support. So if none of the above works, it's time to call Verizon customer support. So all you gotta do for this is search for Verizon support in your desired browser, and you should be able to get options of what problem you specifically have. So there's 5 of them here, so that's on you on what you'll choose. Now if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.